So now we will be going to this, and a compute, you will see there's a web application, there's a mobile services, cloud services, batch services. What is web application? As I'll let you know, this is already we have done it. So we'll go for virtual machine. How to create a virtual machine? What we have to do is, this is a one component of IaaS. As I told you, compute, data services, application services, network services. Right? So this is a compute, it's a computer which is equivalent to your hardware. So there are two ways we can create a computer. One virtual machine which we can create, right? Now we will quick create and the form gallery. Now in a quick create, you will find this. What you will find, you can create a machine. So machine should be having a DNS name, that is domain name system. Now whenever the computers are created in a internet, it should be having a name actually. So how do we distinguish that what is this computer is doing? So we can say, based on our business, we can say, or based on our ERP application, it is a ERP machine. So we can say this is ERP. Okay, this name is already exists. So this is there by default in cloudapp.net. So we will create, we will put something else, ERP1. It will work? No, it is already there. So we will say SAP 12. Yes. So you can put according to your name also, your company's name. So you can put like this, SAP IBM, if it is the name of your company. IBM is your company's name and SAP is the product name. So you can say, you can put this name. What this computer is containing? It is containing the main application, SAP application for IBM, right? What will be the image? Image is actually operating system. What operating system is there in machine? What is the hardware configuration of this machine? So you can have variety of basic, standard and this. So you can see these are the hardware details of your machine. It is just like a physical machine. What configuration you have, what is the memory, what is the processor, memory, processor and cores, right? So this is just like that. Here you have to create a username. When you are creating installing an operating system, you enter the name. So I'm just entering CH Chandrakant and I'm putting ABC@12345, ABC@12345. I have just entered this. This is very important, where your data center you are creating, right? Now you have creating a virtual machine, but this machine should be created in a data center of Microsoft. What is a data center? Where the multiple number of host server, physical servers are available, right? On these physical servers, what we are doing? We are running a Hyper-V, right? If it is a Microsoft Windows 2012 server, we are running Hyper-V, and in a Hyper-V, what we do? We create a virtual machine. Now these are the same virtual machines which we are going to have. In each machine we can have 100 numbers, 200 number of virtual machine we can make it, which basically we are sharing the physical machines memory, CPU power and all. So we are creating here the machine. Now this machine, this data center where we are making, this is a company called IBM, right? IBM is the name of my company. So I am creating my company's data center in East Asia, right? East Asia is Singapore, right? And Southeast Asia, East Asia, and other things are there. So you can say Southeast Asia also, you can take it Southeast Asia, and you just click on this. Now this will be getting created. Now this machines is unlike physical machines which you can access in local area network with the SAP name IBM. SAP IBM and IP address, you can access it. Here it is getting created in cloudapp.net. So whenever you wanted to access this, you have to run SAP IBM.cloudapp.net and you will be able to access this machine from anywhere, right? So this will be accessed from any machine as a services, right? So the idea is behind explaining you this is how the infrastructure, how the machine now we are actually serving you as a services, right? Subscription based services. So this machine which you have created, I'm submitting you to use it as a services. So this is create a virtual machine. Now it will take some time to create. Now see, you will be seeing here starting the provision. It is starting. Now it will provision. Now see, if same type of machine, if you have to make it and create it in a physical environment or on premise, how much time this would have taken? You see here 437, right? I have started at 437. What I have to do? I have to install operating system. Means I have to purchase a hardware. I have to install operating system on top of that. I have to install the other application on that. I have to connect into the network and all those things. I have to do it. Okay. Now you can see from 37 to 38 minutes. I'm installing one operating system, right, along with OS. Operating system with a hardware I'm installing in this, and see how fast we can access it from anywhere, any device, right? That's main idea is. Now this machine will be provisioned. It will be taking time. This is just taking 5 minutes. Next, the subscription it is showing under which subscription you are creating this, and location, in which location you are creating, and under what name, right? What is the DNS name of this machine? So how do you access it from the internet, this machine? That I will be just showing you. This will take some time. So this is what I am showing you, how do you create it. But this machine has got everything, but it doesn't have one thing is disk, right? It is having a built-in disk. I will show you how by default disk there is a disk. But if you wanted to store something and you wanted to keep that persistently with the machine, then you have to add one disk in this. Now that disk is storage. From here we can add this storage into this machine. So just wait for a minute. Wait for 2-3 minutes. So at 37 we have started constructing the building, constructing the computers with operating system. Let's see this and this, compare this thing with the physical machine which you are making. A physical machine you purchase, procuring, and all. After that you are in fixing the machines and all the things, installing the operating system, installing the drivers, installing the all those things, capability and all those things you are doing. So that and this you compare and you will find this is nothing in front of that. The SAP IBM.cloud.app.net is a cloudapp.net is a domain which is in which you are adding this machine, cloudapp.net. This is a case where you are creating in virtual machine. This cloud.app.net can be replaced with your own domain, right? But I'll show you how do you add this machine into your domain, or how you can replace this cloudapp.net with the domain of yours, because you don't need a cloudapp.net always. Your domain may not be needy. 4 minutes. It will not show you how much approximate time it will take, but it will be going to finish in 5 minutes, 7 minutes, something like that.